Guys, we have a very simple to use car MP3 player FM transmitter. So this is model number T25, made by the company SEBIGY. It's an upgraded Bluetooth car adapter Type C with a rated at 20 watts quick charge. 2 charging ports. You can charge 2. There's a Type C connector right there, and you get a USB connection over there. And there's your command dial. One touch operation. Very simple to use. Let's take it out to the car and give it a try. Alright, Annalisa, we're out in the car. We have our MP3 player FM transmitter, model number T25c, all set. Go ahead and stick it in the socket. The DC socket of the car. And already it lights up blue. So Anna, what I want you to do is let's go to a station that we know is blank. 89.7. Go ahead and try to get to that. FM. Almost there you go. There you go. 89.7. Now what we need to do is turn the FM station on. Alright. We are at 89.7. And by way of Bluetooth, our FM transmitter should sync right up to our radio. And you get your phone out, Anna. Now we just got to find some non-copyrighted music. Okay, we are connected via Bluetooth from our FM transmitter to the car's radio. We are on an empty radio station, 89.7, and we're playing music through Annalisa's phone. Crisp, clear audio. Sounds great. Alright, so what we need to do now is let's demonstrate a phone call. Whoa, hello.
Hello.
Alright, hang on, Annalisa. Annalisa's out there, and I am going to accept the phone call.
Hello.
Hello, Annalisa.
Hi.
Alright, let me get the volume correct. A little bit loud. Alright. Turn this way so we can see Annalisa. Talk.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you. Loud and clear, coming through the car's speaker, through the FM transmitter. Keep talking. What'd you do today?
Hello. I went to church.
Very good. So how does this sound to you? I am not talking through my phone. The microphone from the FM transmitter is picking up my voice. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Alright. So how does this experience work for you? Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, I can hear you.
Because I'm just driving down the road, and and I'm just talking hands-free, keeping it nice and safe. So yeah, that's an example of the car Bluetooth FM transmitter, model number T25c.